Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to make some custom ornaments. These are for my cousin's grandchildren. I couldn't find any ornaments at my dollar store, but I got these from Joann for $1.50. They were 50% off. But I did find a ton of other things at the dollar store. I found several types of fake snow. So there's glitter, there's different sizes of foam fake snow. And I also found these really cute bows. I also got this glitter on clearance at Walmart. These are custom cut letters, but if you don't have a Cricut, you can just use stickers, or you can also use markers or some paint. I used some of my elastic beading cord to tie it first twice around the base of the tree. And then I took each end and fed it up through the top of the ornament. Tie each end around the top of the ornament. Makes the tree suspended so it won't actually sink into the snow. You can use something other than a tree. I just happened to find that. You can use candy cane or anything cute you find. The bow is not required, but it does look really nice, and it kind of makes the ornament look finished, and it actually matched my lettering. I really like how these turned out. The tree is definitely suspended and it won't sink to the bottom, and it looks very professional and cute. I hope you try this. If you did like this video, please like it, subscribe it, and leave me a comment on what you want to see next. Thanks.